Radial Rosette Maker is an all-in-one rosette workstation. It facilitates the cutting of radial segments under the wedge template. The assembly of radial segments under the jig's clamp, and the routing and removal of the rosette using a Dremel with a circle cutter attachment that fits on the jig's 3/16 of an inch circle cutting pin. The jig also includes a secondary pinhole that is offset to the center pinhole. This gives the user the option of creating offset rosettes. And from there's really no limit to what you can come up with. And to help spur those ideas, the book Radial Rosette Patterns for the Modern Luthier is included with the jig.